Nature, the original trendsetter. Always innovating and trying out new things. Self-expression is a part of evolution, right down to the way genes express themselves. Inspired by nature's creativity, biotechnology adapts these innovations, developing unique solutions to the biggest problems we face as a planet. Doing more with less to secure a sustainable future for the generations to come. At K-18, we believe in using biotechnology and synthetic biology to unlock the potential of nature, supporting our body's own structures to create extraordinary possibilities. Because self-expression